The question is, what is color grading? Color grading is an act of giving a movie a different emotions, like going to war, falling in love, and a whole lot, and all these things comes to reality while changing the colors, transforming the color scenes and all that, which is exactly what you are seeing on this video. Different lighting, different pictures depict different emotions. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can do a minimal color grading to your YouTube videos in order to be able to get the best picture quality and depict the best emotion for your video using Capcut. In today's video, we're going to be talking on color grading. I'm not going to be taking you through all the difficult explanation of letting you know color grading, but I'm going to be showing you this video. And through this video, I'm going to explain everything which you need to know about color grading. One of the days, I had a plan to make a video, and the video has to do with emotional, talking about my YouTube journey. And sometimes the colors of the video tells a whole lot of stories, and I'm also going to be showing you some of the ways, some of the things in which you can actually bring out the best from your video while doing color grading. So when you're happy or excited, the kind of colors in which you will use for your YouTube videos, these colors are going to explain everything which your video talks about, and you will need to use red, orange, yellow. Use any kind of colors that brings out happiness or optimism or energy in your videos. And when you are shooting a video that has to do with anger, maybe it has to do with emotion, maybe in an emotional state in which you are angry, the best colors in which you can make your videos has to be red. Red indicates color of danger or anger or jealousy, fear and envy, and a whole lot. So these things are what brings out the best in your videos. And when you are happy colors are some of the things that brings out excitement. You have to be able to use bright colors or warm shades or like yellow or orange, colors that brings out brightness. This is the best color in which you can use to make that part of your YouTube video. And the next one is when you are thinking or you are in a state of emotion, some of the best colors to use is blue, orange and green are some of the best colors to use for your video, most especially if that part of the video has to do with someone thinking or in a deep thought. In another video that has to do with disappointment, regret or emotions, some of the best colors in which you can convert your video to is red or yellow or blue. These are calm colors that explains much about disappointment, regret. So these are the three best colors that explain it. Another one is when someone is emotional, like crying or in a deep regret state, which has to do with crying in a movie. The best colors in which you can use is blue. Using a blue color for such emotion on your videos explains a lot, and it will also bring out the best emotion for that particular videos. So in reality, the colors in which you use for your videos explain a whole lot of things about the particular videos. And the next one is when someone is very excited, very happy or full of emotion or excitement. These are some of the best colors in which you can use for such particular video. Warm colors like orange, red, yellow are generally thought to evoke feelings of happiness, optimism, energy and passion. They can also be associated with anger, happiness and danger. So the kind of colors in which you use for your videos explain a whole lot. And now let's go to how you can apply these colors for your videos in order to get the best emotion and feel for your video. If you come to Capcut, this is the slide of the video in which we're going to be using to create all these color effects for this video to actually give us the best emotion on what we want to do. So now the next thing we're going to do is we're going to come to this place, come down, then slide to this particular effect which we're going to call filter effect. This is where you can select any kind of effect depending on the emotion in which you want to use for your video. And each of these colors should explain or bring out the emotion in which you want your video to actually depict. We have the featured, filter, pro, live, scenery, movies and a whole lot of these kind of filters in which you can use. For this particular one, I'm going to show you how you can just get the best out of your videos for it to look very quality and remove all the debts that you might find in your video, like the eyebrow, the dark eyebrow and a whole lot of other things that might affect your video, so that your video can actually come out as one of the best with best picture quality. For this video, I picked the vivid filter, which is actually something I just want to make all the videos to actually bring out one of the best colors. So the next thing which we're going to be doing is to come to this other aspect which we're going to be doing. You record your videos, you might see some dots, some face, the face might look rough, so we come to touch face, which is actually where we find ourselves said, you come to smooth, then we adjust it to how we want it to look like, so that we can actually get the best at the face of the video. And there's a whole lot of other skin effects, skin toning and body toning, in which you can actually see on this place. When you are smiling, the eyebrows and a whole lot, there's actually a whole lot, so you need to check this out. All these things are adjustments in which you can make to actually bring out the best for your videos using color grading. So this is how our video look like. You can see that the face is now smoother, unlike before. There's no pimples or dots at the face. So you can give all these effects, all these filters a try. These things bring out the best for your YouTube videos. So you can see with all these presets, all these adjustments, color arrangement, color adjustment, you can see that it will actually bring out the best in your videos while you are making your YouTube videos. And color grading is actually more than what we see. It also makes a video cinematic, makes it emotional, it can bring out different kind of emotions, different kind of feel in which you want the story of your video to actually tell. So that is why color grading is very important. And I also have these other videos which teaches you how you can actually get your 4K watch hour, and this other video which also teaches you how to edit a reaction video. So if you find these two videos interesting, make sure to go ahead and watch these two videos. Thanks for watching. If you find this video interesting, make sure to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Have a blessed day.